So I was lucky enough to attend what's called a magnet public school. They had a technology career course that we could go through and obtain industry certifications. And we had various organizations such as Skills USA that were kind of partnered with our school to teach and educate kids on how to use technology and how to repair it and how to fix it, mainly focused on things like computers at the time. And a lot of those certifications that I got while I was in high school really helped me in my business have some sort of foundation for starting it, but as well as just the basic level of how to fix these things and how it works. So I would say that if there was a program available for kids in high school to learn how to fix devices and possibly get WISE certified, having an on-demand supply of kids coming out of high school with a WISE certification is a huge confidence booster to them, as well as a great benefit to the repair industry. Any of our technicians will tell you they love their job. They love coming to work every day and tinkering with new problems. We see everything, and that creates such an interesting and unique challenge that really keeps our team members engaged.